When did the French Revolution begin? 1789. What was the Bastille? A fortress prison symbolizing royal tyranny. Who was the King of France in 1789? Louis XVI. What was the name of the Queen of France during the Revolution? Marie Antoinette. Who wrote What is the Third Estate? Abbasis. What was the old regime? The social and political system in France before 1789. Which state paid all the taxes? The Third Estate. What was taille? A direct tax paid by the Third Estate. What were tithes? Taxes collected by the church. What was the States General? A political body representing the three states. When was the States General last called before 1789? In 1614. What was the tennis court oath? A vow by the Third Estate to draft a constitution. Who led the National Assembly? Mirabeau and Abbassius. What was the Constitution of 1791? A document that made France a constitutional monarchy. What did the Declaration of the Rights of Man state? Rights like liberty, equality, and freedom of speech. Who composed La Marseillaise? Roger de Lisle. When was the monarchy abolished in France? 21st September 1792. What form of government replaced monarchy in 1792? A republic. Who were sans-culottes? Poor revolutionaries without knee breeches. What was the Reign of Terror? A period of violence under Robespierre, 1793 to 94. What device was used for executions during Reign of Terror? Guillotine. Who led the Jacobin Club? Maximilien Robespierre. What replaced Sir and Madame during the Revolution? Citoyen and Citoyenne. What kind of bread was promoted during the Reign of Terror? Pain d'égalité means equality bread. What happened to Robespierre in 1794? He was executed. What executive body was formed after Robespierre's fall? The Directory. Who eventually overthrew the Directory? Napoleon Bonaparte. In which year did Napoleon crown himself emperor? 1804. Where was Napoleon finally defeated? Waterloo. What was the main legacy of the French Revolution? Ideas of liberty, equality, and fraternity. What was the triangular slave trade? Trade between Europe, Africa, and America. When was slavery abolished in French colonies? 1848. Which law removed censorship in France? The law after the fall of the Bastille in 1789. How did revolutionary ideas spread among the illiterate? Through newspapers, songs, and public readings. Name one Indian influenced by the French Revolution. Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Which state included peasants and workers? Third Estate. Which state included the clergy? First Estate. What was the Society of Revolutionary and Republican Women? A women's political club in France. What rights did the 1791 Constitution deny women? The right to vote and hold office. When did French women gain the right to vote? In 1946. What did the middle class demand during the revolution? End of privileges and equality based on merit. What did Montesquieu propose in The Spirit of the Laws? Separation of powers in government. What did Rousseau argue in The Social Contract? Government based on the will of the people. What influenced the French Revolution from abroad? The American Revolution. Who were active citizens in 1791? Men above 25 who paid certain taxes. What was the National Convention? A newly elected assembly in 1792. What caused the subsistence crisis? Poor harvests and rising food prices. How were nobles affected by the revolution? Many fled the country or lost privileges. What role did women play during the revolution? Protested for bread, formed clubs, and demanded rights. What was the effect of the revolution on Europe? Spread of democratic ideas and abolition of feudalism.